Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan and welcome back to The Forge. In this episode of Trust Me, I'm a Blacksmith, we're going to forge some food. So I've got Josh here today, so we've got a bit of a technicality with the food. So you need some buns and some sausages. And then if you've got a Josh De Lisle in the workshop, you need some vegan sausages too. So
do you know, this is probably the first time I've ever shared it with other blacksmiths that I'm now a vegan.
oh shit.
It is actually. But I, in my channel, I don't talk politics or personal things, it's just about blacksmithing.
It's fine.
Carry on.
It's fine.
It's like a behind the scenes into the person, isn't it?
It is, just a little bit. I've messed up, I'm keeping all this. So this is going to make the ultimate sausage bap. So the first thing you need to do is, I'm going to use Josh's veggie ones. There's nothing wrong with veggies either. In fact, it makes you a better blacksmith. You go get some TIG welding rods. These are stainless steel 1.2 TIG rods, and then push them up the middle of the sausage, like so. Obviously wash your hands if you're going to do this normally, but Josh doesn't mind a bit of grub, does he? Do you, Josh?
All builds up
the immune system,
doesn't it?
Doesn't it?
System, that's right.
Get these sausages on here like this. Oh, try and get them through the middle, otherwise they fall off. Just slide them on there. One more.
Bit of coke fuel to just add extra carbon, isn't it?
Yeah, it's all good for you. It's all good for you. Right, so what you want to do is, I've got 2 of these rods. I'm going to do my sausages in a second. And basically get them on your TIG rod like that, and then get 2 pieces of wood and pop them either side of the forge, like so. And then
sure
drill
they
some holes in.
catch on fire.
Yeah, keep them far enough away so they don't catch on fire. And then, while you work, you cook your sausages. So I'll just set this up now. So there you have it. You've got your sausages on your bit of metal. You just bend the ends over, and then as they slowly cook, you just give them a little turn. You cook your meat then. How's that? Right, so I'm going to hook up my sausages and let them cook, and then we'll come and eat them in about 20 minutes, half an hour maybe, we'll see. Anyway. So me and Josh have been working for about an hour now, and he's been doing some bits for himself, and we've sort of left the sausages cooking. And remember, good food hygiene is essential. Always wipe your anvil down. So I'm going to get these bread rolls, and look, improvised knife, because I still haven't finished the ones I said I would make. Hope you don't mind, Josh, this is your ruler, isn't it?
Yeah, it is actually, yeah.
Right, now Josh's are on first, and they're coming off, but oh god, they look good.
This one will fall off in the fire.
Right, can you open that bun, Josh? Lovely job. I'll pop that one on there first. Get there. Now obviously choice of bun is up to you. Oh god, that's hot, that bit stainless.
It's hot, isn't it?
Right, saucer.
Yeah, a bit of brown would be nice.
Bit of brown sauce.
Vegan, I know this.
Bit of brown sauce on there. Oh. Can't go wrong there now, Josh, can you?
Not with vegan food. You've got no chance of salmonella with vegan food.
Whereas me, on the other hand, I've got my Fat Boy local butcher sausages. Thank you, Mr. Powell.
Let's hope they're not pink in the middle, eh?
Oh, I don't care anyway, I'm hungry enough to eat it.
It's the next day, isn't it? That's the telephone.
Yeah, you know you messed up the next day.
Alright, mind if I go ahead? I'm hungry.
Yeah, go for it. Go for it. Cool, right, let's get this bad boy out there. Oh, they look good. Wow, they're hot. They're really hot. Cooked?
Beautifully.
Oh, lovely job. Hot, really hot. Cool, I'm going to have some brown as well. Brown on there. Oh yeah. Everything's better with brown. Right, I'll have a bit of red as well, I think. Double doozies. And that's how you forge the ultimate sausage bap. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, if you like this video, chuck a like down there, and remember, subscribe. I make videos as much and often as possible, and comments, love your comments, guys. I'll chuck the video for the first ultimate cheese on toast up here, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.